Alam mo ba, most people post content online, pero ang habol lang nila is likes and views. Pero ako, I discovered a simple formula na every time I create content, it opens up income opportunities, clients, partnerships, even sales. So, in this video, I'll share step by step kung paano ko ginagawa ito para hindi lang vanity metrics ang habol mo, pero real results. Hi, I'm Sally, also known as Mrs. Munting Ibunan and The Mortgage Pinay. I built different brands using content. Dati akong nurse, pero now, I'm an entrepreneur and a content creator. Napatunayan ko na hindi mo kailangan maging influencer para kumita. Ang kailangan mo is right system. Here are the 5 C's of turning your content into income. Okay, first is content for connection. Don't post to impress. Post to connect. Ang tao, hindi sila naa-attract sa perfect. They connect with stories, with real struggles, with lessons. No, shinare ko yung story ko bilang nurse na kailangan kong iwan yung baby ko para mag-night shift. People connected with me. Hindi dahil dramatic siya, but because it was real. And when people feel your authenticity, they see themselves in you. Connection first, conversion later. Next is content for credibility. When you share tips, when you educate, when you give knowledge, people start trusting you. They see you as an authority. Kaya every time I share mortgage tips or side hustle hacks, people message me kasi they see I know what I'm talking about. At ito ang power ng giving value. The more you give, the more credible you become. And when credibility is there, trust follows. And trust, that's the foundation of every sale, every client relationship, every opportunity. Value builds credibility. Credibility builds trust. Next is content to call to action. Every post needs a bridge. Kung puro kwento lang and then, thank you for watching, sayang yun. People need to know the next step. Your CTA or call to action can be simple. Like, if you want my free guide, comment guide, or click the link to check if you qualify. Hindi siya dapat pushy, dapat natural. Parang iniimbita mo lang sila to take the next step with you. Guide them, don't push them. Next is content to conversation. Likes are not income. Conversations are. Engagement is the beginning of opportunities. Pwede kang mag-viral, pero kung walang kausap, walang income. I had a reel with 1 million views in just 24 hours, pero ang talagang mahalaga is yung mga nagtanong, pwede ba akong mag-qualify? That one question opened the door to real clients. So, never ignore comments. Never ignore messages. Every reply is a seed that can grow into an opportunity. Engagement opens doors. Next is content to collaboration. This is where things really multiply. Hindi lang clients ang nagiging resulta ng content. Dahil sa consistent postings, people invited me to guest, to partner, to collaborate. I got chances to work with other entrepreneurs, brands, even speaking invites. Collaboration multiplies income because you're not just earning from your effort, but also from shared opportunities. So, that's my simple formula. Connection, credibility, call to action, conversation, and collaboration. The 5 C's of turning content into income. Hindi mo kailangan ng million followers. Kailangan mo lang ng clarity, consistency, and courage to share your voice. Here's the truth. Content is not just for fame. Content is an income pipeline if you use it right. Hindi lahat ng tao maiintindihan bakit ka consistent mag-post, bakit ka laging nag-educate. Pero remember this, every video, every post, every message is a seed. Some seeds will grow fast, some will take months, but if you plant consistently, eventually you will harvest. That's the formula I've used to turn my story into brands that pay me. And the good news is, you can do it too. Now that you know this formula, watch this next video where I share how I turn my story into actual brands that pay me. So you can start building your own too. I'll see you there.